Chat. Let's quickly. Hey man. Let's quickly run this one, chat. Let's quickly run one. Aniva actually. No got TikTok, but okay, cool. Let's quickly run this one, chat. Sniper RSA ezinye izinto ngabozinaka around time. Let's do that one time. Samba snipe.
Sniper son. Yendaba nyakaba ngumrepa babanye ngeni ngiphila na pretenders yestratina yakumbone impuskila ngayitshone nekambono zamajobe. I'm doing this for the culture. Hip hop is my culture. Mane ngoba spice. RIP komachita ngikhule nawabekileyo. Iyophinde ihlangane isesendima. I'm still never khona itshithileyo. I'm still never khona itshithileyo njena kanye. Isaboniswa nangoku. I don't wanna break down but nacisha umgogo.
Akhondo ibaluleke njengoboniswa bras. My brothers, yabo le ndithetho ngusniper here. Akhondo ibaluleke njengoboniswa. Yabo xa uboniswa even if uphambene. Even if uphambene, sometimes chat, sometimes andifuna usigxokiselana chat yabo. Sometimes uyakwazi uboniswa ne ube uphambene. Kube ungena haters, abantu abazo haters, akho mntu nengxaki nawe, ngophambeneyo awufuna uphangela. Ngophambeneyo awufuna usebenza, awufuna uphangela qha ingxaki yakho. Yabo? Iyakwazi kwenzeka la way because andifuna ukuthi uzabe une haters abantu bengabelieve kuwe because uyaboniswa. Because uyakwazi uboniswa ikaka. Masingakhohlisana. Uyakwazi uboniswa. Kubalekile uboniswa ne? Because the only way you can find out that awuboniswa kaka is uboniswa. And you believe kulo mboniswa wakho. But uyakwazi noboniswa kaka. Yabo? Funa ukuyazi into leba uboniswa kaka ngoku. Yabo? And ithatha ixesha la nto realize. Sometimes ithatha ixesha somithise kabini okanye somithise kathathu. Okanye somusho ubomi bakho, okanye sogxothwe nakowenu. Okanye sowuncanyiwe, ube khona ibona bahama. Ndiwaste ixesha lami ndiboniswa yazi. Yabo? Kubalekile uboniswa, yes. Yabo? Kubalekile so that you can actually discover yourself. Uboniswa prize ningayiki uboniswa prize. Ningayiki uboniswa, boniswani. Because uboniswa ubantswembu bra, and uphela even if into good kuyo bra, even if into good kuyo uphela so good because ububoniswa like Azo Pamene is not a good rapper, but waboniswa bra wathi wantswembu. So enkosi real sniper bra, boniswa man.
Ezinye izinto ngabozinaka kushithesho lakhe isikhoma sakho sigcwalizaka. Mase uzama kozama na umane ngobhayisa ungalingo phela umoya sana. Basikamela kahle ne ungalibali akusuka khona. Ungalibali nokuthandaza uthixo khona. Ezinye izinto ngabozinaka kushithesho lakhe isikhoma sakho sigcwalizaka.
Don't ngibanga. So do bene une jonga. Ayo 6 pack kalo le. Ayo 6 pack le. Ayo 6 pack mnganam. La chat. Ngibiskiba but. Ngiba. Ayo 6 pack le. Ayiyo i6 pack nxiba iskipa phamanela apha
asakho sigcwalizaka bazomane ngozama nawo mane ngobhayisa ungalinga uphela umoya sana gamela kahle ne ungalibali akusuka khona ungalibali nothanda.
Okay, well, what I like about him, he has that dreams come true and you can win if you want to. Phela clever benithi akunangwazi emphakathini. I like the element anayo yo in fact I'm gonna be big, bra. Adeline Chomi, I'm gonna be big, mna faith. Sorry, chat on TikTok ngap. I'm gonna be very big, bra. I'm gonna be very big, bra. Mna fuck. Yabo babonisa nthina ngakho. Naboniswa kakhulu. Ndakuncanya boy. Real snap ndakuncanya boy. I-grand lanto uyimenshina uyithethe into yoba boniswa Brian nawe boniswa. Ndincanya boy le ndithethileyo. Yabo mandisipha ndithanda la element yakhe usniper la khona ngibani lakanele unantsika le Brian birapa gqitha pro X no pro ban lemjitani before pro X pro child khona pro pro qane pro kid. He's giving me that. He's giving me that pro kid vibes. Yes. Ngincane usastyle sika pro kid.
They busy chasing bitches, I'm busy chasing grams. When I'm born with a sugar bone, and now it's funny. You doing this for fun, I'm changing people's life. Kanjano's busy, and poker got the owners on them bondo. I'm praying for them kids on them streets. There's no life in my corner, and no but ginger please. They say you know the one, you might know the quality. What they talking about? Shout out to Easy Repas, my name is Pooper. Talent the corner, see you boom by my soldier. Ni bizelo monelisa sezobanani aisho ezinye iziluka bozinaka push ithetho lakhe sibama sakho sigwalizaka basa usaba kozama na umane ngobhanza ungalingophela umoya sana masigamela kahle le ungalibali akusuka khona ungalibali nokuthandaza uthixo khona. Ezinye izinto ungabozinaka pusha ithetho lakhe sikhwama sakho sigwalizaka bazomane ngozama nawe umane ngobhanza ungalinga uphela umoya sana.
Okay, I think Upra is more quieter rather than hip hop. You get what I mean? He's more quieter rather than hip hop. But I like his bag, man. It's just straightforward, like it's motivating and all that. But niza nemxele banxiba iskipa okanye ayejimini. If uthanda uveza six pack makahamba ejimini because le ayo six pack. If ever Brian uyakuthanda ukukhulula iskipa hamba ejimini wenza shop uyejimini ungase ropi ayo six pack alole usifazale yona.